Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you RPO Read tutorial. In the beginning, let's go to Run Pass Options, and now go to our RPO Read.
On one, ready?
Hand the ball off to the running back.
Here we go. Side. On one, ready?
Now, when the dive read defender attacks the running back, run the ball with the quarterback past the line of the scrimmage by holding A button.
Side. On one, ready? Side. Gun. Side. Side. On one, ready? Side. Here we go. Side. On two, ready? Side.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.